Alright, so in this video we are going to be covering a bulk SMS software that I want to give out to anyone interested and anyone who can afford it. And I'll be walking you through the basic details of the software, what it does, the cool stuff that comes with it. So this software is it's practically a bulk SMS software, and it's quite cool. It's very unique, and it's good for small business owners and also big business owners. So the cool thing about this software is that makes it even better than probably the ones you are using is that you get to own the software. You get to sell subscriptions for other businesses that probably your friends and families or even outsiders. You get to collect credits from people, and then you can use that credit to pay for your own bulk SMS. Understand the system here? You also have the ability to control how you send your SMS. Basically, you have full ability to do that stuff. It is connected to multiple gateways. So if you want to target any country in the whole world, you can use this bulk SMS software instead of searching for providers that support a certain country. Rather, you can just use SMS to send to multiple numbers. You can also use this software to buy numbers. To buy numbers that you want to use to target a particular country. Let's say you want to target US, you buy number and then you'll be able to use it to target US. So this software is what I'll be sharing with you anytime now. So I'll go into the dashboard and then I'll show you what the software does. So let's go. So if you look at my screen here, you see the sign in section of the software. So on the sign in section of the software, for you to access it yourself and get to see what the software does and how it works, you can just visit fastsms.us. It comes, the person that will be getting the software for me will be getting the domain, this fastsms.us. We'll also be getting the old thing. The old thing. I'll give you the hosting provider, and then you can continue the usual subscription for the hosting server, which is monthly. The domain is yours. So if you want to target US, it's already there. Fast SMS, very cool domain, very simple and very straightforward. Targeted. You get it with the domain. This particular software, if you want to log in, it has this particular login screen that comes with it. But then you can also create a landing page for you to promote it if you want to sell it as a service to other providers, to other business owners, because you have the ability to sell it as a service to our business. So by the time I get into it, you'll be able to see some of this stuff. Do you understand? So now, like I'm in it right now, I'll be logging in into the software, and then you get to see everything. The email that there is created basically for the owner of the software. So the email, it comes with the email, this particular email, ultimate7outputon.me. It comes with the owner. The email will become yours, and then you'll be able to access it, and then you'll be able to control, because that is what was used to buy the hosting server. So you don't even need to create an hosting server. You don't need to buy a domain. You just continue from where the software stops. It's like a prepared and well-made software for you to get started. So you go into it and then you log in. So by logging in, we get to see the admin of the software. You also get access to this admin that you are looking at. This admin panel you are looking at, very cool. So there are lots of stuff here that you get to see that seems very simple to understand, but then I'll just walk you through the basic parts, and then by the time you get the software and it becomes yours, I'll also give you an onboarding tour of the whole software and how to manage your platform and how to use it to sell to your end users. So here we have the dashboard that simplifies everything that you get to see about the software. You get the simplification here. On the customer side, you get to see customers that you've added. So we only have a demo account user here and also the admin. So you get to see your customers here that probably signs up and wants to use this fast SMS services. And then the subscription, as I mentioned before, is an SaaS system, subscription based solution. You can charge people subscription for them to use this particular software. This is where you get to see all this information about the subscriptions. And then the announcement, this is where you do announcement to your customers. You get to see them here. And then the plans, if you want to create subscription plans, this is where you create the plans, create different plans. I already have one here. You can create multiple plans here, and then you can charge your users based on those plans. and then you can select your currencies here, the currencies you want it to support. Just check it, and then it accepts it. Then if you want to charge your customers tax, you can charge them here as well. So this is where you set up what we call the sending servers. So as usual, this is just software that connects with third-party APIs that are charging very, very low fee, such as Twilio, very, very low fee for SMS. So it supports nothing less than 250 providers. These providers include the ones that support bulk SMS in certain countries. Every part of the world, I mean every part of the world, providers has been connected here. So let's look at it here. Every part of the world providers. We have Twilio here. Twilio supports most of European countries like UK, Canada, and all of that. And then there's global cheap global SMS. This is global worldwide. We have Plivo. We have, you can see here there are more than 256 providers here that cut across African, European countries, Arabian countries, Asians, all over the world. You can see them here. If you have a provider that you want to quickly connect your and collect their API and then use it for this particular business, just search for it here and then you see it there. It is there. I can assure you that. So almost all providers are here. And then how to set it up and connect the account is very, very pretty straightforward, and the information is here. Let's say I want to choose Twilio here. It gives you the information. Create Twilio account here. You click the link, sign into your existing account, copy the SID and auto token. Immediately you sign it, to take you to that place where you get this SID token and auto token, and then all the mini setup, everything, it's all there. And then you can tell the one you want to support. I forgot to mention, support WhatsApp box messaging. WhatsApp box messaging. It's also there. So it's cool. So we also have the ability to create sender IDs. If you want to use numeric numbers, you can to send bulk SMS. If you want to create certain business name to send bulk SMS, it's also there. The option is here as well. If you want to buy numbers, this is where you go ahead and buy numbers. It's there as well, available for you to use. And then if you want to create certain keywords, you can also create it here. Go to generate template for your SMS for SMS, and then you can just use the template to send messages. You can just create them here. And the security setup, the blacklist, the spam mode. I can't go through everything. The video will be too long. See everything, the settings, the reports, the invoices. So let's go ahead and see what the user sees once they are a user, or if you want to personalize it for yourself, you can just automatically switch as an admin to the customer users. For users, by the time they log in and create an account, it is then they'll be able to see this particular place. For me as an admin, I get to see it. So you can see everything is here, everything you need to do that bulk messaging, to provide a bulk messaging services solution as an SAS services. So here, if they want to buy top up an SMS, because I'm the admin, so I get unlimited. So if they top up as a user, if they want to top up, you can top up and buy a certain amount in the currency that you choose. Do you understand? And then the sender ID, the numbers, the keywords, everything is here. It's all there. And then the contacts, you can go ahead and add your contacts here. And then SMS, you can set up SMS here. If you want to send SMS, you can see this is place you send your SMS, and then you get to see SMS provision and all of that. If you want to set it up, go ahead and choose the provider you want to use, and then you can make this provider name any name you want. Should in case you don't want it to show Twilio, you can make it just fast SMS, and then it might be Twilio you'll be connected with. That's if you don't want your user to know like the Twilio they are using. You just pick the sending server there, and then everything is there. Sender ID. If you want to use the phone number to send message, you can use the phone number, and then they send message. The campaign builder, all of that. So voice SMS, those voice stuff that say hello, automatic robot voice, those kind of stuff you can set up here. Send bulk voice SMS, and then multimedia SMS, you can do that here. I mentioned WhatsApp messaging, you can do that here. I mentioned as well, I forgot to mention, you can also do Viber bulk messaging, you can do that here as well. The providers are all in the 256 gateways that have been added. And then the OTP, if you want to create an OTP system, you want to privatize your OTP system for your business, You can do that here, or you can even sell the services. You can set up here. The providers are all on the gateways I showed you in the admin panel. Then chat box for quick chat. You want to quickly chat with people that are sending SMS to you, you can do the chat box here. And if you want to create an automation, you can do the automation here. So it's a bot for quick reply. I set up here. And reports, and then developers that want to collect APIs as well, you can do that here. So I hope this is very simple, and if it's something that you're interested in and you'd like to get, just go ahead and send me a DM. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. There'll be a link, and hire me link in the description. Click it, and then you send me a DM to know if you'll be getting, if you are interested in getting software. The software is just only at 50% discount at the moment. You can get it right now, and then it is just $350. $350, and this particular software is yours. It is yours for you for the taking. Just $350. Send a DM, and it's yours. No caviar. It's a free gift, basically a free gift for you to get everything here just for yourself, and then you can start using it. So I'll be expecting messages dropping in for anyone who's interested, and then you can have the software for yourself. Bye for now. See you in the next one.